This is the parts of the car from the fuel pump that is leaking on my car. And I've been through all of that across, and even here. All the motor parts don't have this part. So this is how you do it in the Philippines. When you got something wrong with your vehicle and the parts, you need to be looking for it once they fix it. The parts that's actually to be replaced. But I have been to 6 different automotive parts shops, but I still hasn't found the same thing as this one. So we'll have to try the last one over there, but I don't think they will have it. So, but the main one there that we have been going through is still closed for the whole holidays. So this is here in Wireless, so Bangdako, Mandaue, where all the motor parts are located, and they are not even having the stock like this. So I'm still on the quest of finding my parts that's needed for my car. It's the hose from the fuel breaker, because it's the gasoline squirts out from the side of the hose that's broken. That's like a cut on the side of the hose. So I've been to a dozen of the auto parts now, and most of the main auto parts dealers are closed. So this is like the still a small one, but known to have kept most parts. I buy some parts for them before, and this is the problem if you have vehicles to be fixed here in the Philippines. It's the parts that needs to be fine. You have to find your parts in different auto parts center. And I have to cross here because Red Sea is over there. Need to cross Aritan Cross though. So I'm waiting for anyone to slow down. Torito Picas. Arita mo cross. Ano ta diha? So we're waiting for any cars that slow down so we can cross. So just signal on the big truck. Now we're crossing under the overpass of Mandaue Highway. Then I have to go and cross here. The sad thing about this is I got Marvin with me in the car this morning, and I have to leave him in Ayala, drop him by the taxi on my way here. So if I can't get this car fixed today, I have to leave it in the garage, and I have to pick up Marvin. I don't know what means, or if we need to get the taxi up on our place. So we're waiting for the green light, and so you can see that's the overpass of the highway. So you either can go straight on this one, turn right, or turn left. You can see it's not so traffic that the usual Mandaue traffic right now, because it's the 26th of December and most of the offices are closed. That's why the major auto supplies are closed, and people are still on break, the school break, the office break, and even the vendors are on, some of them are on break. They're not selling for the holidays. So you can see that the traffic is flowing, not the usual turtle crawl that we do normally on Monday to Friday. Here it's now green, we can cross. So as we're approaching, the auto supply that I'm looking for is under this, behind all this selling shoes. So all you can see here, old shoes from abroad. They sent over here. It's called the Okay Okay shoes. So this is the auto supply here, like an example of an auto supply here in the Philippines. So they got all the parts mostly here, even the old parts, second-hand parts. So most of the time you need to bring the parts that you want to replace so they can match it.